Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going out to 5 different bodies of water. We're going to try to catch at least one bass in every single body of water. We're going to start out at the mini pond over there, then we're going to head out to like some other smaller ponds, and or not smaller than that, but some other small ponds. We're going to go to the lake, and then we're even going to try to catch some bass in the creek over there. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully we can complete the challenge. Alright, our first destination is going to be the mini blue pond. That's the one where in my last video I fished with a little RC boat and tied some line and then put like a hook and a bobber on the back. And that's a pretty interesting video, so I'll try to link it right here somewhere up there. But hopefully you guys can watch that video too, and stay tuned for the rest of this one. Well, I got a fish, but it's not a bass. Nice little bluegill. Okay, so we've been here for a while, and we are only catching bluegill. So, since we've caught 2 bluegill so far, we're just going to count that as a bass. And we're going to get out of this spot because we've been here for a while and still haven't caught a single bass. So, see you guys at the next spot. Alright, we're at the second spot now, and this water is looking really clear, a lot clearer than usual. So he's using a little Senko. I'm going to put on probably a little tiny crankbait. Well, not too small, but something like this probably, and see if we can get a bass out of this one. What in the world? Are you kidding me? Oh jeez. Are you serious? Guys, I guess we cannot catch a bass today. But dude, seriously, look how big this bluegill is. This is a massive bluegill. Look at this thing. You guys see that? I just caught this thing on a crankbait. What in the world? Here's the massive bluegill. Apparently I can't catch a bass today. Alright, we're at the next pond now. See if we get any more luck. Jeez, that's a big fish. That's a big bass. He's stuck in these weeds. Jeez, he's pulling dry. Jeez. Yes! Whoa! You got your weight measure? Yep. Guys, I just caught like a 4-pounder. It's a 3 or 4 pounder right there, guys. I just caught that on the spinnerbait right there. Are you kidding? Dude, look at that. He just destroyed the spinnerbait. Look at that thing. Holy cow. Holy smokes. That's a big fish right there. That's almost a 3.
That's what I said.
More on the 2.5 side. So about 3.
You got a big spinner on, right?
Huh?
You got a big spinner?
Big spinner bait. Look at this fish, guys. Let's cut that guy out there. Let's let him go. Dude, you see the fight that thing gave me? That's on camera too, boys. This spot is done. We're at Lake Woodlands. Alright guys, second bass of the day. This pond right here. Probably gonna fish here a little bit longer, but since we got this guy, jeez, look at this guy's. This guy has some teeth. He's got a deformed lip right there. Alright.
Look at his tail too. Geez, this dude's messed up. Look at this thing.
What in the world?
This guy's all beat up. Sorry for catching you, buddy.
God, he felt huge. That's funny.
Second fish at this spot. We didn't leave yet.
Crawfish. Felt huge. He teased me.
Are you proud of yourself?
Pretty much.
I'm proud of you. Whoa, guys, this is first cast right here. Oh my gosh, you just got one too? We literally just doubled up here right as we came to the creek. I've literally got 52 seconds left of storage on here. Oh, dude, look at that bite.
Where?
Look at the back of it. Right where your hand is.
Oh, nasty.
It's got like a bite mark taken out. I just got this guy right here. Got him right here. We're gonna release them. Yeah, these are good sized bass, so we're gonna stop filming now so we can get more footage. Alright, just got another bass here at the creek.